Listen.
See, you got a Glock? You got a Glock?
Put your face here.
All right, Brian.
Is this a chain gun?
That's a minigun.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Are you right-handed or left?
Pardon?
Are you right-handed or left-handed?
Right-handed.
We're gonna start shooting now.
Yep.
Good.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Right hand all the way up. Left hand. Here.
Yep.
Okay. Arms out all the way. Got white dot in the middle. White dot on the target. Okay?
Yep.
Good. Left hand. Okay. Go to your sights.
Am I gripping the gun correctly?
Yep. Go ahead and aim
Yep.
and squeeze. It's ready to go.
Okay.
Go ahead. Good.
How many rounds is this?
19 more. You got 22.
Am I gripping correctly?
You're doing very good. Yep.
Can't see where it hit. Can this thing do like burst fire, or
What's that?
can this thing do like 3 round burst fire or something, or is it just
It's as
semi?
fast as you pull it. Yeah, it's only
Oh.
one at a time.
Okay. It's not bad. See if I aim it there. Bad. Okay.
Good job, buddy.